A warm welcome to all. Now we will see about the extra warp and weft figuring in the fabric structure and design. Laboratory course in fabric structure and design. In this, extra warp and weft figuring is very important, and this type of designs are used in many kinds of fabrics, so that the additional war threads, that means lengthwise threads are used for creating this extra warp. For creating this extra warp effect, the ground fabric, that means the base fabric, is created by using plain weave, that means by warp yarns and filling yarns. After this weaving this ground pattern, the extra warp and weft threads are warp threads are used. Floats, long floats are used, and then the floats runs on the surface through lengthwise, so that the patterns are created. Like this, the designs are embossed and raised. These designs are heavier, and then it will be used for it will give a nice effect to the fabric. Like this, the lengthwise warp threads are floats on the surface, and then the patterns like animal patterns, floral patterns, all these things are used. Like in the same way, we are using the extra weft also. Extra weft figuring effect also brought out by inserting additional weft threads. That means weft threads float on the surface through the crosswise effect, so that then tied and then tied down, and then the pattern seems to be a crosswise designs. That means in the same way, yes, in the weft extra warp yarns, the weft designs are also figuring also created by creating small booties, then mangoes, then natural designs, natural sceneries like birds, then the animals, like many patterns are created, and it enables it gives an elaborate and rich effect to the material. The crosswise designs are rich and colorful while using contrast colors. All these designs, that means extra warp and weft figuring designs, are used for silk threads, like exclusive rich fabrics like kurtas, then tops, then sarees, then blouse designs like kurtas, then for also for bedspreads, then draperies and curtains are also it will be used. It will be used for many purposes, this extra warp and weft threads. These are all rich, colorful and looks nice, and then the raised effect are produced by inserting the extra threads in the loom, yes, in warp wise, that means lengthwise, or it is a weft wise, like a filling. Like this, many effects are produced with contrasting colorful designs in all the traditional textiles for exporting the materials and all these types of extra warp and weft the structures are used.